Hi guys, welcome to my channel. It's your girl Precious Eleke. In today's video, we're talking about financial goals you need to attain or start implementing in your 20s. Without further ado, let's get this video rolling. The very first point on my list is that you need to reconstruct your online presence. Yes, you can be like, but it's a financial goal. Yeah, but your financial goal, your online presence will influence your financial goals. We also influence the amount of money you're going to make. You know, in these days and age where they respect social media presence, where they care about social media life, you know, they will request for your name, your LinkedIn, your social media pages. Some they don't even use to request for your CV again. They will just check all your pages and go through it and be like, oh, I'd like you to work with us. And because they've seen something on your page, they see something on your platform. So you know all those things that you were doing when you were in secondary school, in high school, you need to remove some things. Some things, maybe some thoughts you shared when you were at that age, you need to go and remove it. Some of those thoughts are wrong, you need to go and remove them. So please go and reconstruct your online presence. Start putting out the narrative you want people to know you for. Start putting out the narrative you want people to know you for. Start it now. So on that point, you need to make giving a habit. In your 20s, giving should be your lifestyle. You need to start making it your habit. Give it to people, give it to the rest, less privileged, give it to people that are high up. Start making giving your habit. Give, and give. Because if you don't learn to give now, when you are in your old age, you know, and the Bible even, no, I don't know if it's a Bible or it's an adage that says that what you sow is what you reap. So, but it's not say where you sow. So if you are sowing seeds, if you're giving to people, you definitely reap abundantly. The Bible says if you sow sparingly, you reap sparingly. If you sow cheerfully, you will reap cheerfully. So sow cheerfully, sow abundantly, so you can reap cheerfully and reap abundantly. So another thing is that you need to attain your 20s. You start paying yourself first. You know, we are in that age where everybody, you know, they work for themselves. Many people are working from home. You know, there is no like a structure like that. There's a new kind of job, new generation jobs where you are the one in charge of your finances. That don't pay yourself. Pay yourself first. Have that discipline of paying yourself first. That thing is, have a retirement plan. Go and get insurance. Go and get a company that you'll be paying, you'll be a quota for retirement into. So please do those homework. Do those homework. Don't say because I'm not working with the country, with your government or with an organization, does not mean you should not do it. So do the homework. Go and get those structures in place. Pay yourself first. Start working on your retirement plan. You can be like, I'm in my 20s and my 30s. Start working on your retirement plan now. Don't wait till you're in your 30s. Don't wait till you're in your 40s or 50s. Like it's not like 10 years to go or 5 years to go. No. Start working on it now, like this year. Now, as you're watching this video, start working on it. So another goal is that you need to start learning to be accountable. It's a financial. Remember, these are not related to finances, but in a way, it affects your finances. Be accountable. Get someone to be accountable to. If your goal is to save $10,000 in 2 years or in 3 years, be accountable to someone. Let the person know the amount that is entering to see your money, but let the person know that all the amount you want to save, the amount that will be entering your account. But giving the person feedback, like be screenshotting your payment. I'm like, oh, I've paid this amount, I've done this amount. So that you can trust, that is reliable, that will not see as a means to exploit you. So please set financial goals. Set financial goals and be realistic with it. And that thing you need to start doing in your 20s. But like I said before, if I said set my financial goals, you need to, you know, be accountable to someone. When it's financial goal, you need to be accountable to someone. The person will hold you accountable to the goal you set for yourself financially. And another thing that you need to do, or another goal you need to attain in your 20s, is that you need to start investing in your 20s. Start building the habit of an investor. This guy, Warren Buffett, started planning. I think he started investing from age 7 or 8. Some people are even doing that now. Some parents are already started investing for their children from when they're in their mother's womb. So you can start doing that now. So start investing today. Start making plans. Do your research. Go online. Watch videos on my channel. Check videos on YouTube. Go and do your readings. And start investing today. I need financial advice. You need me to advise you, but it's to be at your own risk. The responsibility is still going to be yours to make. Reach out to me in my email and I'll do what's to respond to you. And to my last point, which is focus on your career. Your career is very, very important. In your 20s, focus on your career. Don't be like, this one, I don't have time. You have time. You have time. I want to make all the money now. You still have time to make all the money. So focus on your career. Your career will influence the amount of money you're going to make. It will influence so many things. So focus on your career to get the amount of money you want to get. So if you enjoyed this video, don't forget to give it a thumbs up, like it, share it, and I'll see you guys in the next one. Bye.